My name's Pete. I'm a ranger here at Llys y Fran, which is one of Welsh Water's visitor attraction sites. Big part of what we're trying to do here, as Welsh Water, and particularly as a visitor attraction site, is trying to improve biodiversity and wildlife. One of the projects we've been focusing on is improving the wildflower meadows with the help of the National Botanic Gardens Wales. Came in with a trailer load of green hay. We spread that out, so what happens is all the seeds will drop out of the green hay, go into the ground, and we'll leave that then. And that comes back the following year. All those seeds hopefully will germinate into wildflowers. This year we've just done our first set of surveys, and yeah, so far really positive results. We're getting a massive reduction in grass species, a lot of yellow rattle coming through, which is a semi-parasitic wildflower which suppresses the grasses by using the nutrients from their roots. A lot more wildflower species coming through, speedwells and hawkbits and self-hills. So yeah, a huge improvement even in the first couple of years. And then we'll carry on surveying year on year, carry on doing that cut and collect system. So another project that we've been working on is this orchard. So we had a nice little bit of woodland here with a lot of ash dieback. So we had to fellow that because it's quite a busy area, which consequently let in a lot of light to what was a bit of a dark and dingy area. We planted these selection of fruit trees, got a member of staff each from the team to pick a tree, come and dig a hole and plant it. Within a couple more years we should be seeing a good amount. Long term, we'll hopefully have a huge impact. More insects, more bird life across the whole site. You know, it's already a hotspot for migratory species, so that will obviously encourage more and more, and so it goes on and hopefully spread out into the wider countryside as well. So another little project we've done is we're trying to improve wildlife corridors between existing bits of woodland. So we've got a bit up the top of the hill here, another bit down the bottom, and we've put in about 300 metres of hedgerow here. Within a couple of years, we'll have a nice established hedgerow with native species of tree, and that will give a nice little wildlife corridor for mammals, your foxes and badgers and rabbits to potter up and down without having to come out into the open then. We've got all this land to look after, and if we can show that where we can, we're doing our bit for it, I think that's fantastic. Not only is it improving what we've got and improving that wildlife, it's showing everybody what can be done with even the smallest scrap of land. Welsh Water, they've got a huge responsibility to show it is important to look after wildlife and biodiversity and improve wherever you can. No one's going to do it on a small scale if big companies aren't doing it. So I think it's massively important to lead the way on that.